day and welcome back to week 34 of Deck Trains. Today we're going back across the southwestern border of Deutschland into Switzerland, and not only are we continuing to collect stamps in our passports, but now we are featuring the 1959 Fleischmann SBB-CFF number 1334 St. Gotthard Tunnel AE66, road number 11412. We're going to feature this one with 3 of the 1959-14-16 second class Swiss coaches. 2 are illuminated, 1 is not illuminated. I simply haven't gotten the parts yet. And I hope you enjoy watching these go around for part 1. Gotthard Tunnel opened in 1882, and at that time its 9.3 miles in length made it the longest tunnel in the world. Now it's been superseded by the Gotthard Base Tunnel, a lower elevation tunnel completed in 2016. That one's 35.5 miles long, but it's only partially open because if you remember back in August, there was a derailment in the southern end, and they're only running freight trains. The passengers are still forced to go to the upper level and enjoy the scenic views available of the Alpine valleys. For part 2, we're going to add an old familiar piece, the 1971 Fleischmann 5569 Track Cleaning Wagon. And also from 1971, we're going to toss in a number 5132. This unit is a Swiss second-class coach. It's essentially the same as the number 1416, except in this year it features squared-off silver diaphragms instead of the angled black diaphragms that the earlier number 1416 featured. And we're going to toss in from 1959 a 1417 Swiss second class coach. This one features platforms at either end. Trains are still looking better rounding these R2 curves than the original used R1 curves found in the digital train set we featured way back in March of this year. And let's see what this looks like going around the track. We might even try it with some evening lighting. These AE66s were introduced in 1952, but like all good plans, it was found that the 3-axle bogies were really too hard on the rails of the Gotthard Tunnel line. So 20 years later, a 444 unit was introduced, the RE66, to solve that issue. But you know, like any other company, when you're short locos, you pull from stock and the AEs are still seen on the line today. Have a great week, folks. See you next week.